Everyone, welcome back to our coding tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to explore an interesting approach to create pyramid patterns in Java using the powerful Java Stream API. So let us jump right into the code and see how we can achieve the pyramid pattern using the Stream API. Let's declare int rows equal to 7. This will be the size of the pyramid. Now let us first write the logic and then I will explain in detail. Okay, the coding part is done. Isn't it interesting? This one line of code is going to solve the purpose for printing the pyramid star pattern. Here, let's delve into the Stream API code now. We use intStream.range closed 1 rows to create a stream of integers representing the row numbers. For each row number, we map it into a string that contains the appropriate number of spaces and stars. And we utilize the repeat method to repeat the spaces and stars based on the row number. Now let us print the result. Wonderful. As you can observe, a program has elegantly generated a pyramid pattern with 7 rows using the Java Stream API. This approach showcases how functional programming can simplify complex tasks. Feel free to experiment with the different values of rows to create pyramids of various sizes. This technique is a fantastic example of how the Stream API can transform the way we approach coding challenges. And that's it, you have successfully learned how to create a pyramid pattern using Java Stream API. This unique approach not only produces the desired pattern but also introduces you to the world of functional programming concepts. Please like, share and subscribe to IntelliSkills. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Have a great day ahead. Bye.